What's Newton's first law of
Okay,
motion? His first
I
law of
got the
motion
wrong
is an
one.
object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force. This statement right here. I was thinking about that in terms of what we see on charts, right? This is obviously a great example, but when price is going up, and if people started trading with just that one concept, that one law in place, and trend lines, whatever you guys want to do, this is the daily chart. Right now we're moving down. But if we simplify this a little bit, we did just hit a force. So think of this as a tabletop. We just hit that tabletop right here. We've got another, obviously much smaller than this one, but another double bottom. So another M formation, W formation. And if this W just happened in the middle of the sky, we don't care. When this W happens at a previous area of interest, right, at an area of support, or what I call my areas of interest, this is technically all of those things. Now you've got this unbalanced force. I know it sounds really stupid, but if this helps somebody recognize it's not as hard as we're making it, that's all that happens. So price is in motion, it's going to stay in motion.